Hey, how's it going? Today I'm working on a 2013 Ford F150 with the 5.0, and I'm back. I haven't been posting. I've been busy at the shop, but I got this Frankenstein car that like been breaking my head. But something is, it had long crank, no start. Let me show you real quick. Alright, here we go. So that's what I was getting, right? At first I was like, it gotta be something with the fuel pump. And then I seen all these videos online about check fuse number 27, check fuse 27. Alright, I put this in there too. It's easier to see because it takes these tiny ones. But that's what I'm gonna put on it, just to verify it, easier to take it out. And it's good. I'm like, what could it be? Maybe underneath the box, but I checked and is everything working properly? So now I checked online, everybody's talking about this, and I even replaced the crank position sensor. I got the code of it. I got the code inside for the scanner for the crank position sensor. So I replaced it. Still had the same thing going on. It was all the way over here in the back too, the crank position sensor. That's it right there. But what the problem was is this part. It's called the fuel pump module, or the fuel pump driver module. They switch up the names, you know how they be. But I'm gonna install it. I'm about to show you where it goes exactly. All right, we're in the back. All right, it's right here. Spare tire right here, right on top. This is it. This is the bad boy right here. Gotta unplug it. Okay. Let's give it a crank. Kaboom. Yeah, it was being a headache to me, but hey, I don't give up. But hey, liking, share, subscribe. I'm gonna try to keep giving y'all more content, but hey, thank you, and have a good day.